guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys tips and tricks for how to have like nice handwriting or maybe change your handwriting, and yeah, let's get started. First off, you want to start writing the alphabet from capital letters to lowercase, then numbers, and then after that you want to see choosing your preference on what letter you want to change it so you can make it a bit nicer. But for now, you just want to pick one or two letters to start off working on and making them nicer, and after that you can like continue choosing other letters. But if there's no more letters that you want to fix, then you're okay then. Your handwriting can look drastically different just by changing the way you write a few letters too. Next, you should go on like Pinterest or like Google or Instagram and search up all of these like study accounts that have really nice handwriting. Or you can just search up handwriting samples or styles on Pinterest and Google, and yeah, just look at all the inspiration of the samples that you see, and maybe you can just like try to write kind of like theirs. Next, you guys want to choose your preference kind of pen that you want to use. Some people, they like to use like really small tip pens such as the Muji 0.38, and some people like to write really thick, for example the size 0.7 or 0.9. People also like other different types of pens such as ballpoint, gel pen, or fine tip pens. For me personally, I really don't like fine tip pens because they're kind of like really super small for me, which I do not have like really like a lot. But then I like writing small, but then fine point are just a different kind of small point, which I'm trying to say. Also, ballpoint pen is also a good idea for me. Great point for me, but sometimes I really don't like it because it's like too smooth or like the ink won't come out. But most likely ballpoint pen are my backup pen in case my gel pens like run out. And like what I was saying, gel point pens are my absolute favorite pens to use. They're really smooth, and yeah, like I just write really smooth with it and it works best with me. Another trick that I think most of you guys should do is stacking paper over your actual paper that you're writing with, so it runs more smoothly. But like for most people it probably won't, but for me, I think it's really smoothly, and I think it worked for some of you guys. You can also use a folder like I used in the video, putting paper over the folder and using my work over the folder, and yeah, just make sure it's like a flat, kind of like a thick surface-ish, but like soft. So yeah, it will work really great for you guys and run really smooth. Please don't mind my hand in this, but also a trick for you guys is to try to like grip your pen in a very comfortable way that you can write with, so your handwriting will be nice. A few last reminders for you guys is one, just don't like overload with like taking too much time consistently trying to rewrite your entire handwriting style or making it look nicer, because like it won't really work like that if you just practice over one night. I feel like it would take you a long time, like a couple days, more than a couple days actually, months or weeks, and yeah, just like don't overload it. Make sure to take it also slow too, because like the difference of a few words you guys are writing can drastically change your entire handwriting, such as me writing like this text A instead of like a regular A that you guys do like a circle and a line, but this is like a little curve and a little circle in between it. Anyway guys, my last tip for you guys is to not rush your handwriting when you write really quick, or like just don't write really quick when you're like in a rush or something. Just try to at least make it neat and nice, because if you tend to write really quick and you're trying to make it neat, most likely your handwriting won't be neat, like it won't fix anything. And yeah, like for me, I tend to, if I get really tired and I just want to finish everything, I write really quick and my handwriting just gets really messy and it doesn't look nice like I did in the video. And yeah, just like don't do what I did, try to make it look really nice. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below any ideas you guys have for future videos, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.